How to find a job on LinkedIn 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can find a job on LinkedIn in 2024, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically find a job on LinkedIn, you have to go ahead and then open up the LinkedIn application. Before you try to apply for a job on LinkedIn, I always want you to make sure that you have a very set up your clean and professional looking profile, because chances are that when you're applying to a certain job from the LinkedIn platform, the hiring recruiter or the manager is going to be able to check your profile, which in this case you want to make sure that you leave a good impression. So make sure you have a very professional set of profile. Then you can try to apply for a couple of jobs if you'd like. Now you can just go to the jobs tab and start doing a job search based on your niche and your categories that you would like to be working with. Then you can select a certain job and tap on the easy apply by giving your CV info and so on, and they should be able to get in touch with you, hopefully within a couple of hours or maybe a couple of business days. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.